Hello everyone. Today's question of the day is based upon simple equations. It will involve some concepts of number system as well. The question is for a positive integer n, let Pn denote the product of the digits of n and Sn denote the sum of digits of n. Okay. The number of integers between 10 and 1000 for which Pn plus Sn is equal to n is. So Pn is product of the digits of a number n, Sn is the sum of digits of a number n. We have to find out numbers between 10 and 1000, integers between 10 and 1000 which follow this Pn plus Sn equals to n. So from 10 to 1000 we know that we have 2 and 3 digit numbers. Okay, so first of all we'll try to do it for 2 digit numbers and then 3 digit numbers. So if we look into 2 digit numbers over here, then I know that a number n, if it is of 2 digits, it can be written as 10x plus y, right? This will be the value of n. What will be Pn? Pn will be the product of digits, that means x into y. Sn will be the sum of digits, that means x plus y. So we'll try to do Pn plus Sn equals to n for a 2 digit number. It will be equal to xy plus x plus y will be equal to 10x plus y. Okay, y cancels. We'll be getting 9x equal to xy. So that means x cancels, y will be equal to 9 and y is the unit digit number. Okay, so all the 2 digit numbers that have unit digit 9, they will follow this. So 2 digit numbers having unit digit 9, they are 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89 and 99. Okay, so these numbers will be following this. So far we have 9 numbers from here. Okay, now we'll do the same for 3 digit numbers. So if we do it for 3 digit numbers, x, y, z will be a 3 digit number, so it can be written as 100x plus 10y plus z. This will be n. What will be Pn? Pn will be x into y into z, x, y, z. Sn will be x plus y plus z. So if we try to do this Pn plus Sn equal to n for a 3 digit number, we'll be getting Pn, that means x, y, z plus x plus y plus z. This will be equal to 100x plus 10y plus z. So z will be cancelled. We'll be getting 99x plus 9y equals to x, y, z. So now we need to find out the values of x, y, z that will satisfy this equation. Okay, this equation. So we can further write this as 9 times 11x plus y should be equal to x, y, z. Okay, so this clearly means that this x, y, z is equal to a multiple of 9, right? So if you take any multiple of 9, the first one will be, we need a 3 digit multiple. Okay, because we are looking for 3 digit numbers. So first is 108. Okay, so 108 will be first number, first multiple of 9. So you will take x equal to 1, y equal to 0, z equals to 8. You will see that this equation will not be satisfied. If you come to the second multiple of 9 after 108, it will be 117. You will take x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 7. You will put it into this equation. You will see that it doesn't satisfy. So there will be no multiple of 9 that will satisfy this equation. Hence there will be no solution to this equation. Hence we will get 0 such 3 digit numbers. So we have 9 such 2 digit numbers and 0 such 3 digit numbers. In total we will have 9 such numbers that follow this equation Pn plus Sn equal to n. So that's it. It was a past cat question. If you have any doubt in this explanation, please comment. Thank you.